How to Make Meditation Joyful by the Venerable Renze. There are so many ways of making the approach to meditation as joyful as possible. You can find the music that most exalts you and use it to open your heart and mind. Sometimes, when you are in a low mood, you can play your favourite music. Sometimes we also use this method. While chanting mantras, we play mantra music. Since the music is good and the chanting is melodious, following it to chant yields better results compared to chanting on your own. You can collect pieces of poetry or quotations or lines of teachings that over the years have moved you and keep them always at hand to elevate your spirit. You need to have a notebook and write down your favourite verses and teachings. When you occasionally look at it, it may inspire and elevate you. Sometimes we tend to forget, so it's important to have your own notebook and write down the teachings that are most inspiring to you. You too can find reproductions of paintings that arouse a sense of sacredness. It refers to Buddha images or other great paintings. For instance, the green Tara. There are many versions of the green Tara image. In our meditation centre, we choose a version that resonates the best with us and then reproduce it and distribute to everyone. When you see that image, you will feel a sense of sacredness and get inspired as the image of green Tara is depicted with a smile and great majesty. When you see a majestic Buddha image, constant reminder that we are learning the teachings of Sakyamuni Buddha.